In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn Xero accounting in 5 minutes. Whether you're new to the world of accounting or looking to brush up on your Xero skills, this step-by-step guide will walk you through how to quickly get started on your learning journey. First off, let's talk about what Xero is. Xero is a popular online accounting software designed for small to medium-sized businesses. It's known for its ease of use, powerful features, and the ability to integrate with a vast array of other business applications. If you're seeking to either manage your business finances or jumpstart your career in accounting, learning Xero can be a great move. Our journey begins with a simple action. Opening your favorite web browser to start a search, go to Google Search, and here you're going to type in Xero Learning. This is your gateway to accessing a wealth of information directly from the source. Once you hit enter, you're going to see a series of results, but the one we're interested in is Xero Central. Xero Central is the hub for all things Xero, including detailed guides, support articles, and, importantly, learning resources. When you see Xero Central in the search results, click on the link to proceed. Now you're on the Xero Central homepage. Look for a tab labelled Learning. This is where Xero houses its treasure trove of educational content designed to help users understand and maximize the benefits of the software. Once you click on the Learning tab, you'll uncover an assortment of learning resources tailored to different aspects of using Xero. The next step is to navigate to the Xero certifications section. This area is dedicated to more structured learning paths, including certification courses that can not only boost your Xero knowledge, but also bolster your resume. Certifications are a fantastic way to validate your skills and show potential employers or clients that you're proficient in using Xero software. Now, you might be wondering which course to start with. Here's where a bit of filtering comes in handy. In the search bar within the certifications section, type in Accounting. This will narrow down the courses to those specifically focused on accounting practices within Xero. From basic introductions to more advanced topics, you can choose a course that matches your current skill level or learning goals. At this stage, you might see several courses available that cover different aspects of accounting within Xero. Take a moment to read through the course descriptions to decide which one aligns best with your learning objectives. Are you looking to get a fundamental understanding of Xero for day-to-day bookkeeping? Or are you after more specialized knowledge, like managing payroll or understanding financial reports? Pick the course that suits your needs. Once you've decided on a course, the next logical step is to enroll and start learning. Each course will have its own structure, typically consisting of video tutorials, reading materials, and quizzes to test your understanding along the way. Remember, the goal here is not just to watch and read, but to actively engage with the material. Practice in your Xero account as you learn new concepts, and don't be afraid to revisit sections if you need a refresher. As you progress through your chosen course, take advantage of the support and resources available through Xero Central. Community forums, detailed articles, and even customer support can provide additional insights and help clear up any questions you might have. In conclusion, learning Xero accounting doesn't have to be daunting. By following these steps, you can start your journey towards becoming proficient in Xero, enhancing both your personal and professional life. Whether you're aiming to manage your business's finances more effectively or seeking to add a valuable skill to your resume, the resources provided by Xero Central are an excellent place to start. So take the leap, enroll in a course today, and unlock the full potential of Xero accounting. Happy learning.